How to remove background music from a video in Lightcut. Need to replace or remove audio? Lightcut lets you remove background music quickly and easily. First, select your clip, tap audio, then choose remove music or mute original audio. You can then add new music, sound, effects, or voiceovers without interference from the old track. After removing the music, check the clip for leftover audio artifacts. Trimming or adjusting volume can make it cleaner. Have you replaced music in your videos before? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can remove background music from a video in Lightcut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.